Welcome to your French class. In this class, we'll do some sentences of les pronoms relatifs simples. Okay. So the first question is compléter avec qui ou que. So in majority of the sentences, when we use qui, it is used for a subject. Okay, means the doer of the sentence, and que is used for the object, means the receiver of the action. Okay, or you can call it the object of a sentence. Okay, now let's start the first statement. N'achète pas la chemise dash est trop longue. Now we are going to fill qui here because la chemise is the subject of the statement. La chemise qui est trop longue. Okay, it means do not buy the shirt that is too long. So what is too long? The shirt. The shirt is too long. So the shirt is the subject in this statement. Now comes the next one. Le garçon achète le pantalon dash il a essayé. Now we are going to use que here, and I am dropping e and putting this sign because il is starting with the vowel. The boy is buying the pants he tried. Okay, the boy is the doer. Le garçon achète, and he tried the pants. So the pant has become here the object. So we have used que here. Le garçon achète le pantalon qu'il a essayé. That means the boy is buying the pants he tried. Okay. Now the next one is les enfants dash jouent au tennis ne veulent pas rentrer. Now we are going to use here qui because we are talking about the children, les enfants, and they are the doer in this statement. Les enfants qui jouent. That means the kids who are playing tennis don't want to come back. Now the next one is le prof dash m'enseigne s'appelle Monsieur Lambert. Now here the subject of the statement is le prof, so we are going to use qui here, and he is active in the statement. It means he is the subject here. Now the next one is merci pour les cadeaux dash tu m'as donné. Now we are going to use que here. Now it means thank you for the gifts you gave me. Now gifts are the object in the statement, and we have used que here for les cadeaux. Okay, and the doer is tu in the statement. Okay, so thank you for the gifts that you gave me. Now the next statement is le médecin dash nous avons consulté est très connu. Now we are going to use here que because nous here is the subject in the statement. We consulted the doctor is very famous. So we consulted, it means nous has consulted le médecin, it means this is the object in the statement. Okay, and we have used here que for the object. So it means the doctor we consulted is very well known. Now the next one is nous n'avons jamais trouvé les colliers dash ont été volés l'an dernier. Now we are going to use here qui. Okay, now it means no, we never found the necklaces that were stolen last year. Now the next one is elle fait toujours exactement ce dash elle veut. Now we are going to use here que. It means she always does exactly what she wants. Okay, now elle is the doer in the statement and que is the object. Okay, now the ninth one is est-ce le gâteau dash ta mère a préparé. Now we will use que here because the meaning is it the cake that your mother prepared? Now the doer in the statement is the mother and cake is prepared. So cake has become the object here, that is why we have used que. Okay. Now the 10th one is c'est un pauvre garçon dash habite à la campagne et dash a perdu ses parents. Now we are going to use here qui. C'est un pauvre garçon qui. Now garçon is the subject here, so we have used qui. Means this is a poor boy who lives in the countryside, and Again we are going to use qui here because we are talking about the boy. Qui a perdu ses parents, that means who lost his parents. Okay. Now the next one is l'histoire dash tu m'as raconté n'est pas vrai. Now we are going to use here que. Now it means the story that you told me is not true, and tu is the doer here and histoire is the object, and for object we have used que here. It means the story that you told. Okay. So the story that you told me is not true. Now the next one is appelle la fille dash nu regarde. Now here we are going to use qui. It means call the girl who is looking at us. Now we are talking about the girl. Okay, in this statement we are talking about the girl, so it is the subject because the girl is looking at, okay, them. So la fille qui nous regarde, it means call the girl who is looking at us. Now the next one is qui sont ces gens dash te parle. Now again we are using qui because who are these people talking to you? Because the people are subject here, we have used qui. Okay. Qui sont ces gens qui te parlent? Who are these people talking to you? Now the next one is la nouvelle auto dash il a acheté roule vite. Now we are going to use here que, and I am dropping e here and putting this sign. It means the new car that he bought drive fast or runs fast. Now we are talking about the car, and il means he is the doer here and car is the object. Now the next one is as-tu aimé les chansons dash tu as écouté? Now we will use que here. As-tu aimé les chansons que tu as écoutées? It means did you like the songs you heard? So this is all about les pronoms relatifs simples, qui ou que. If you have any doubt, any question related to this, do ask me below in the comment box.